Emirimo yo kumbeka ebyombeko ahamarwariro agarimu Buseruka Health Center ya kashatu irikuza kuba Health Center ya kana na Hoima Regional Referral Hospital yatongozebwa nga Ageihangwe Banja ashagatirwe Minister w'enshonga za Bunyoro Grace Mary Mugasa, Minister w'ebyamagara ebirikubanizibwaho Dr. Charles Ayume na Minister w'ebyemizano Peter Ogwanga.
Upgrade of Hoima Referral Hospital, including the construction of an intensive care unit, the regional blood bank, and the new oxygen plant. And now I'm pleased to join you for the commissioning or launching of the works to upgrade Buseruka Health Center 3 to Health Center 4.
We have ticked the box of the stadium club for government, you the people of Bunyoro. We are now here today to tick the box for having emergency and accident unit. Right now, Prime Minister, it's not all about emergency and accident unit. There's a full requirements in line with what is required here.
Emirimo yona neza kumaraho billion 91 kandi yakwasibwa ba UPDF Engineering Brigade.
545 billion Uganda shillings in Bunyoro to get the country ready to host AFCON in 2027. I want you to remember that this figure does not include Uganda shillings 130 billion. 130 US dollars, that is 487 billion invested in the establishment of Hoima City Stadium.
You've been going to Kampala, but now we have dialysis here. We have a CT scan. I would like to thank His Excellency the President that 4 years ago he listened to the pleas of Ministry of Health and the doctors and ensured that all the 15 regional referral hospitals, apart from 2, now have CT scans.
Ahiraro ya Hoima Regional Referral Hospital nobaza kwombekaho ekyombeko ky'ebitandigana 50 n'omwanya gwa emergency.
So I also wish to thank the Ministry of Health for their unwavering support towards this milestone. It has not come easily. We have been in the press, in the media, but we want to thank the Ministry and Government of Uganda for this facility that will be a lifeline for this region actually.
We want to ensure that works are done within the stipulated contract period, following the schedules of the works.
Emirimo yona neza kumaraho emyezi 6 yonka. Gashaka nogaba Ambrose Katoto.